Get ready for the introduction of South Africa's #1 pop star, Nadine.
I'm from South Africa. I was born and raised in South Africa. I do pop music. I sing pop music, and the last years I've started writing my own songs. So it's great when you can go up on a stage and you can sing your own songs and you can present your own message through the music. I've been doing more or less 120, 150 shows a year.
The singer is stretching her creative soul with the release of This Time I Know. A top album that has all the makings of a bona fide smash hit.
You've always dreamed about a bigger world out there and going dynamically for that world and making your dreams your challenges and your goals. And I feel like now in my life I'm ready to do that.
The songs, the vocals, the sound. This Time I Know It's For Real is a soaring ballad that showcases Nadine's astonishing vocal performance.
This time I know it was worth fighting for. This time I know I can't ask for more.
When I look at the album and I listen to This Time I Know It's For Real, for me that captures all of the emotions with regards to planning and writing and recording and making this album. And also it talks about my dreams and where I am right now in my life. And like the title says, This Time I Know It's For Real. Sometimes you can plan and you can work towards your goal, but it's only once you get to the point where you say, now the plane is taking off and we are leaving. That is when you know this is the moment that I've been waiting for. Made Up My Mind is pop rock. I want to be a songwriter and I want to be a singer and I want to be a creator, and that's what that song means to me. It says I've made up my mind and here I am, Europe.
I made up my mind, wanna live between the lines. I made up my mind.
Coming Home is one of the most affecting ballads on the album. Nadine's take on the song has radio hit written all over it.
I love performing. I love getting a live crowd involved in the songs and in the music. It's the most amazing feeling because you really feel like, yes.
In my dreams at night when you hold me tight till the morning light. Yeah, you make me feel, baby, like I'm oh so alive. Oh, how I wish you were real.
When you do an acoustic show or performance, you feel almost you have the same feeling that you have in a studio. It's very intimate and you feel like you can talk more, you can share more, and it's a very relaxed environment.
Yeah, you make me feel, baby, like I'm oh so alive. Oh, how I wish you were real. Baby, everything I am, I offer it to you. I made up my mind, wanna live between the lines, and stay
The message that I have in music is that yesterday has passed and tomorrow we can plan, but in fact we only have now to live. This is your life, not tomorrow, now. This time you know it's for real.
Get ready for Nadine, because this time we all know it's for real.
This time I know it's for real.